Hey guys, I thought I'd just have a little go showing you the landscape I got to build just the other day, you know, in Unreal Engine. 5 after work, always have to click on the screen first with your mouse, and then mouse works and joypad works. The Xbox controller, mine is for the Series S, connects really fast. I'm surprised to say. Because it was just hooked up to the Xbox itself. I just paired it immediately. The Mac found it again, just like last time. It's pretty awesome. So how's everyone been doing? I hope you guys are all well. It's been a while. Some of these videos are hard to make, so I kind of fell out of love making them. I do enjoy the editing part, but you know, with what little time I have, I prefer to focus on just actually learning this and having fun with it and unwinding after work rather than, you know, spending hours putting a video together. We do what we can, but here we are. So, work has been very busy here in the Philippines for me at the office. There's lots of IT issues, lots of stress, deadlines are coming, and so I kind of had to put an end to coding for a while because it was just frying my brain. I was just absolutely beat. And then after solving other people's problems all day long in admin, to then be coding was a little too much. So sensing the burnout coming on, but also not wanting to give up learning new stuff and having fun learning new things, I figured I'd do something a little bit more artistic like I used to, and I've been having a fantastic time in Unreal Engine. I am doing all this on my little Mac Mini, the M1, and it is, I haven't really pushed it, but I am shocked just how much it can handle and the quality of the library assets that you get to use and just drop in. Yeah, what I was able to build in just 2 days, in case you haven't seen that video from like a week ago or so, or 2 weeks ago. Oh, I can't Skyrim this. I was very impressed with what I was able to put together in 2 days. And then after that, I had some fun building this little scene. And again, just the quality of the assets. You know, after learning how to play in a 3D game engine on the PlayStation with Dreams by Media Molecule, yeah, it was a big step up. Of course, there's also a huge added layer of complexity of the user interface. Compared to Dreams, Dreams wins hands down when it comes to user friendliness, and also just using the controller is just fantastic in a game engine. But spending a few days learning how to move around in 3D using keyboard and mouse, since I'm not a PC gamer, it didn't come natural. I'm getting there. I've even noticed myself with the WASD claw at work at the office from time to time, because I've been doing so much of this. So here we are. This is my my little mountain scene that I built. Let me just get out of the game and then move the sun around. This is one of my favorite things. There we go. It's very easy when you're landscaping to lose perspective on just how big everything is. That's why I was really excited today to just use the first person shooter template, drop it in, and just walk around. So I hope you liked that little video. I hope to make more and then maybe put them all together into one big video or just release them every week. We'll see what happens. So